Hello everyone, this is Bee here, and today I'm going to do a video to share with you the basics of Bitcoin. So I'll go into my slides. Okay, so what is Bitcoin? Okay, and how to buy Bitcoin. Okay, a Bitcoin is a digital currency of the internet, and it was created on 31st October 2008 by this guy called Satoshi Nakamoto, a software developer. It was created and stored digitally and electronically, and it is encrypted and is produced by computers that use software to solve mathematical problems, and it is impossible to hack and counterfeit. Okay? It is also decentralized, means that it is very easy to set up in seconds and is anonymous. You can send peer-to-peer without going through the bank and without going through the red tape to set up a bank account. So for those with no access to bank account, this is very useful for them. Okay, and you can send to anyone in the world, just like how you send an email, and you can use it anywhere and can spend on anything on the internet or also in shops that accept Bitcoin. And for this, the bank cannot control your money. Countries, there are many countries that already start to accept Bitcoin. For example, like Japan, China, Russia, USA, Europe, UK, and Australia. And companies, over 1 million companies have already accepted Bitcoin. For example, like Expedia, you can book trips using Bitcoin, Microsoft, Virtual Airlines, and Virgin Airlines also. So Bitcoin started in 31st October 2008, okay, by this guy called Satoshi Nakamoto. Okay, in 3rd of January 2009, the first Bitcoin was being mined. That's called the Genesis block. And in 22nd of May 2010, a guy used 2 Bitcoins to purchase pizza, and it cost purchased 2 pizza for 10,000 Bitcoin. So can you imagine how much is the $10,000 worth of Bitcoin worth in today? And on 28th of November, Bitcoin actually crossed more than $1,000. So with that being said, traditionally the banks can control your money and can be affected by inflation, but Bitcoin you can't. Okay, so with that being said, now we talk about the blockchain. Okay, Bitcoin users each have their own user address, and this address starts with 1 or 3, and it's about 34 characters long, and they can send and receive Bitcoin. So a collection of blocks of this transaction is added to the blockchain, which is the Bitcoin's equivalent of a bank ledger. So users that maintain this form of accounting are rewarded with Bitcoin, so they're called miners. So there's a fixed supply of Bitcoin, so existing Bitcoins are being divided to maintain a consistent value. So how can we buy Bitcoin? Okay, my very first Bitcoin was CoinHako because I live in Singapore, and CoinHako is very popular in Singapore and Malaysia. And thereafter I moved on to Coinbase. I'll show you how Coinbase looks. Okay, so when you log into Coinbase, all you have to do is to come to accounts, and then you can click here to send your Bitcoin to an address that is given to you, or you can receive Bitcoin and you just need to copy this address and send it to someone to receive your Bitcoin. Okay, my next one is CoinMama. Okay, because for Singapore, we find it hard to deposit money to a bank account. Okay, so a way to overcome it is to buy Bitcoin from websites like CoinMama. For example, if you log in here, you just go to buy Bitcoin. Okay, and then you can choose the currency you want. Like normally I choose USD, choose the amount that you want to buy. You click buy now. Okay, and they will ask you for a Bitcoin address to send to. So you can specify like a blockchain address or your CoinHako address or your Coinbase. And literally after they create the order, okay, you fill out your credit card details, and an email will be sent to your email when you click the deposit address to be confirmed to be correct. And in seconds, you can actually receive the Bitcoin in your wallet. So there are fees like a 5% fee. Okay, there is a 5% processing fee that is charged by the credit card. Usually, the convenience of this is that you can get it very fast. So it is worth in some cases, like if Bitcoin prices are going up fast and you want to get your Bitcoin fast, this is a very good way. Okay, and it's sent to your wallet in seconds. And then for other countries like Australia and Europe, Europe, Okay, you can use CoinJar, which I'll attach the links below. For Luno, which was also one of my first wallet, it is also widely acceptable in South Africa. And for people in Europe, okay, they can use Bitpanda. Okay, so this is basically in a nutshell how you can, what Bitcoin is, explained simply, and how you can go about to get Bitcoins. So the very first thing to get into Bitcoin is to get yourself a wallet and find a way to buy Bitcoin in your countries, find out what wallets are available in your country so that you can get into the Bitcoin. I started with Bitcoin in April 2017 with various programs that helped me to grow my Bitcoin passively. So I hope that with more and more people coming on board Bitcoin, it'll be easy for you to begin to understand Bitcoin and to grow your wealth with it. With that said, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you and goodbye.